Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a quick unboxing and a review of this very cool super bright solar sensor light or security light. I think they're both honestly the same. So this was sent to me by a company called AIXPI. This is a solar sensor light, as you can see, and of course this is battery powered, so it's got a motion sensor, a built-in battery which is 3000 milliamp hours according to the specs of it. It's powered by the sun, so it does not need to be plugged in at all. So you're definitely getting basically a free solar sensor light, powered by the sun forever. And it's also IP67 waterproof, which is very nice, which of course this light is made for the outside because it has a built-in solar panel right on top. So I just want to show you what the box looks like. Here's some more, here's the model number and whatnot. And as you can see, it's got the battery that's built in is 3000 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts, but the most important thing is the capacity, which is 3000 milliamp hours. That's how big the battery is. And the lumens are, it says 18, actually says 1600 lumens. That's pretty bright. The LED quantity, it's got 240 LEDs, and the angle, it's 270 degrees wide angle. So it's very bright. I mean, it's honestly like the brightest solar powered sensor light that I've seen out of other lights. Super bright, which I will show you here in a minute. So once I take this out the box. By the way, it's ROHS compliant. It's CE certified and whatnot, made in China, of course. So yeah, I don't think there's any more information on the box. So let me go ahead and take this out. And it comes with a nice color printed user manual. Here it is. Let's go over here. And you can see there's the brand. It's giving you basic instructions of how to use this unit. It's very straightforward. I do like the fact that this user manual does include color printed pictures. It's just user manuals, I think, are much easier when you have a picture to follow. So it tells you exactly what to do and how to mount this. The installation of this unit is very easy, and the light is pretty much pre-assembled for you. All you have to do is install the mounting bracket on the wall, whether it's on the side of the garage or the back of the house or whatever, wherever you're going to install it, and the light clips. And I'm going to show you that here in a minute. So I'm going to put the user manual on the side. Let's go ahead and take this out. And before I show you what the sensor light looks like, you do get the mounting screws and the anchors. It seems like you get 4 screws and 4 anchors. Of course, you will need that for installation. And the sensor light does come packed pretty well. Actually was shipped to me double boxed. So this is what the light looks like. You wait until you see how bright this is, guys. So you have 3 of these. So the solar panel does tilt kind of like maybe 5 to 10 degrees, give or take, something like that. And these and the side lights do extend, whether you wanna facing more forward, or maybe you wanna light up the side of your house or whatnot. So they both swivel in and out. And there's the light. And on the bottom, here's the sensor. And in the back, you have some specifications of the solar sensor light. Of course, like I said, it's made in China, ROHS compliant, CE certified and whatnot. There are some more specs, that's normal. Back here, this is the power button to turn on the light, which I will hear in a minute, because it is super bright. I'm going to show you how far this light goes and how bright it is. It's almost blinding, which is very good. I'm actually impressed because usually solar lights are not very bright. This one is. It's very bright. Well, I mean, it's got 240 LEDs, so you get to see that here in a minute. But yeah, this is the sensor on the front. The sensor is also the light is also adjustable, as you can see. I just realized that. So the light is adjustable. You can go up or down as you wish. And also the sensor itself is also swivel, which is interesting. So if you want it pointing more downwards, maybe you install it at a very high angle and you want it looking down, or you can have it completely facing forward, straight. It's up to you. It's nice to have that. This swivels, the lights swivel themselves, the entire unit, and also the solar panel. So that's nice. So so this is the installation bracket right here. All right, so the box does come with this installation bracket. All you have to do really is put, install this on the side of your house or on the back of the house or on the, on the side of the garage, wherever you're gonna install it. You will need this this bracket right here. This is like your assembly bracket, whatever you want to call this. So because the light actually slides into this, and then if you want to remove the light, you do not want to. You won't be. In other words, this will be installed permanently on on your surface, whether it's the side of the house or the front of the house or wherever you're gonna install it. So all you need to do, put is 2 screws in here, and maybe use the 2 anchors as well if you need to, I guess. I mean, of course, as needed, you don't have to use the anchors, but you will need the 2 screws that came with it. So once you install this, I'm gonna show you guys, again, this is as a demo. I'm not gonna install it on the side of really anything, but I just wanna show you. So once you do that, let me grab this here like this, so you guys can see what I'm doing. And so pretend that this is installed on the side, on the wall, of course, and so the fixture actually slides right in. And make sure that you have this release button on the bottom and not the top. That way it's easier to remove the light, just in case you want to replace it or whatnot, or just in case you want to put it somewhere else. So what you do is the assembly slides right in here, and that's it. You're good to go. And then if you want to remove the light for some reason, you first need to press on the release button on the bottom and push up on the light, and as you can see, it slides right out. So I'm going to put that aside, and now to turn on the light, it is super bright. Let me go ahead and show you. Let me go ahead and turn this on, because this light is so easy to use. It is super easy. Some can be confusing. This one is super easy to install. It's pretty much straightforward, to be honest. And also the power button is very easy. Once you hit power, the light comes on, guys. So right now I just realized there's a lot of light around me. Of course, I am in a well lighted environment, so the light went off. So I turn it off, and there's the light on now. The reason why it went off, because it's got the sensor, so I realized there's light. So now once I turn off the light, you're gonna see how bright this is. And of course, I'm gonna have the sensor light facing you. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light, and I'm gonna walk right by, and you'll see how bright this bad boy is. Okay, so right now I'm in complete darkness, and there I am. As soon as I stepped out, say about 7 or 8 feet away, this light turned itself on. So it's an automatic sensor light, just to let you guys know, and it is super bright. Let me give you an idea how bright this is. Let me just go ahead and move my camera so we can face the wall. Okay guys, so right now the solar powered sensor light is facing down, and I turn off all the lights in this big room that I am in right now to record this video for you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and have the light, of course, as you can see, not facing the camera, but facing the wall. This light is very bright. It's got 240 LEDs. It's solar powered, very easy to use and very easy to install. Some can be complicated. This one is very easy to use and very easy to install. So let me go ahead and put this back on the table. I just want to show you guys how bright this bad boy is. It is beautiful. Usually solar lights are not this bright. This one is super bright with many LEDs. And I want to also mention that I left the power on the solar sensor light and turn the lights on back in the environment in my room that I'm recording in. And notice that the light turned itself off right away. So in the daytime, this light is completely automatic. It turns itself off during dusk. When it gets dark or there's any motion, it turns on, and then after about 1 or 2 minutes, the light shuts itself off automatically. So once you turn on, it's completely maintenance free and headache free, I want to say. So you just turn on and forget about it. In the daytime, it's charging from the sun, and at night, anytime there's motion within a decent range of distance, the light will turn itself on and then turn off after a minute or 2. But of course, you will at least be notified, hey, there's something going on. Maybe there's someone walking by, or maybe someone in the back of the house, or maybe there's a cat or a dog. You never know, But any motion there is outside, this thing will alert you, and it will light up your entire, front yard or backyard or whatever you have, wherever you install this. So I want to thank the company for sending out this very cool unit. I am definitely into solar products that are off the grid. That's just my hobby, if you would. And I really enjoy reviewing these type of products. So thank you so much for the company, AIXPI, for sending out this great product. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please drop me a line right down below. I normally get back to everybody. I do my best on that. And then if you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description to this very cool solar sensor light if you're interested, and which does help out the channel. You know, by the way, if you guys were to use that link to purchase from. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for staying this long to watch a video. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.